Hello children, how are you? Today we study about the three-letter words. Let's start. A-N-D and A-R-E-R A-P-E ape A-C-E ace A-C-T act A-S-K ask A-R-M arm A-G-E age A-G-O ego A-I-R air A-T-E eight A-double-L all B-U-T but B-Y-E buy B-A-D bad B-I-G big B-E-D bed B-A-T bat B-O-Y boy B-U-S bus B-A-G bag B-O-X box B-I-T bit B-double-E bee B-U-Y buy B-U-N bun C-U-B cub C-A-T cat C-A-R car C-U-T cut C-O-W cow C-R-Y cry C-A-B cab C-A-N can D-A-D dad D-A-B dab D-A-M dam D-I-D did B-I-T bit D-E-N den D-O-T dot D-I-P dip D-A-Y day E-A-R ear E-Y-E-I E-A-T eat E-N-D end E-double-G egg F-A-R far F-A-T fat F-E-W few F-A-N fan F-U-N fun F-I-T fit F-I-N fin F-O-X fox F-L-Y fly F-R-Y fry F-O-R for G-O-T got G-E-T get G-O-D god G-E-L gel G-A-S gas H-A-T hat H-I-T hit H-A-S has H-A-D had H-O-W how H-E-R her H-I-S his H-E-N hen I-N-K ink I-C-E ice J-A-B job J-U-G jug J-E-T jet J-A-M jam J-A-R jar J-O-B job J-O-G jog K-I-T kit K-E-Y key L-O-T lot L-I-T lit L-E-T let L-A-Y lay M-A-T mat M-A-N man M-A-D mad M-U-G mug M-I-X mix M-A-P map M-U-M mum M-U-D mud M-O-M mom M-A-Y may M-E-T met N-E-T net N-E-W new N-A-P nap N-E-W now N-O-D nod N-E-T net N-O-T not N-U-T nut O-N-E one O-U-T out O-W-L owl O-L-D old M-U-D mud O-W-N own O-double-D odd O-U-R hour P-E-T pet P-A-T pat P-E-G peg P-A-W paw P-U-P pup P-I-T pit P-U-T put P-O-T pot P-O-P pop P-I-N pin R-A-T rat R-A-G rag R-U-B rub R-O-W row R-U-G rug R-U-N run R-A-P rap R-A-M ram S-A-W sow S-E-E-C S-A-W saw S-E-T set S-I-T sit S-I-R sir SAT sat, TAP tap, TIP tip, TOP top, TUG tug, TOW tow, TOE tow, TAN tan, TWO 2, TEN 10, USE use, van, VET wet, WET wet, WIN win, WIG wig, YOUU, YES zip, ZAP. Thank you.